Hello, my beautiful people. How are you all doing? Are you all feeling okay? Welcome to Nife's Kitchen. Today, we're going to be cooking okra soup. So here are the ingredients we're going to be needing to make our okra soup. So this is my smoked turkey, and this is the okra right here. And here are my assorted meat, and here is my pomo, and here is goat meat and cow meat as well. This is the spicy pepper. I have my iru locust beans here, and this is salt, and I have my nut chicken flavor here. I'm going to be using like 4 cubes. All right, let's start this together. So all we need is a grater. First, we need a knife to cut out the down part. So after that, we're going to be grating the okra just this way. Then the down part, the leftover, you put it aside. You keep repeating the same process. So you keep saying, oh, I don't know how to cook okra soup. Anytime I cook okra soup, it's not always drawing. I will show you the secret behind it today. Let's do this together. So now the next thing to do is to blend our pepper. Add water. Blend it smooth. So my people, the pepper is ready. So let's just turn this into the pot we're going to be using. Yeah, so the next thing, remember the down part of the okra. After cutting the down out, the leftover after. So this is what we're going to be doing with this. Just pour it into your blender as well. So you add water into it. You blend not too smooth, just I'm doing that because I don't want it to be smooth. You can use a food processor if you have one. That will be better. Yeah, so I hope you guys can see what I have there. Yeah, so we're going to be needing a red oil, that's palm oil, or crayfish as well. I didn't show you guys the other time. This is crayfish. So let's add our red oil. So now we're going to add water. So it all depends on the quantity of okra soup you're cooking. That will depend on the water you're going to add. I think I still need more water. So now the next thing, I'm going to pour my locust beans. Then my salt. My crayfish. So now my smoked turkey. Just add everything into it. And this is my goat meat and my cow beef as well. So this is my momo, cow skin. So I prefer to cut it into smaller pieces. So I just cut it into small pieces. Because I like it anytime I'm taking swallow, let the swallow just goes down with something. So I will do the same thing to my shaki as well. Now my catfish. Now I want to add my seasoning. I'm using only no chicken seasoning. So then you cover this to cook for like 15 to 20 minutes. Now the secret behind your drawing okra soup. So this is the okra. This is warm water. All what you need to do is just to add the warm water into the okra and use your hand. Just make sure you mix it very well. Just keep mixing together. Just keep mixing. You can see now, do it this way. I tell you right now, you're going to do this and your okra won't draw. This is what most people don't know. Once they grate, they just pour and cook. Can you see? So you don't need to add anything to your okra to make it draw. So this is all what you need to do. I hope you guys can see this already. So tell me, how are you going to cook this without it being dry? Some blend all their okra to make it draw, but I just don't like that. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. I hope you can see that. All right, my people. So this is 25 minutes after. Let's see. Mix all together. Now the next thing to do, remember the okra, the one that we blend, so we'll pour that one first. Then you mix together, just that way gradually. So this is 2 minutes after. So then we are going to pour our okra. Oops. Keep turning, keep mixing it together. All right, let's have a taste of this. Oh my God, this is good. You guys just have to try this. Can you see? So there's no how you're going to do this and your okra won't draw. I don't even need to add anything. So good. It tastes so nice. I can't wait to try this with Eba. Hey! Can you see how this thing is drawing? Can you see how it's just drawing? Can you see? So all right, our okra is ready. Once you put your okra, you only need to leave it for just like 5 minutes, and after that your okra is ready. You don't need to cover it no more. So can you guys see this? Can you see how the okra is drawing? So let me serve okra. Can you see? Oops. Oops. So there is no how you will cook your okra this way and it won't draw and you won't love it. All right, my people, our okra soup is ready. So it is time to enjoy it with whatsoever you want to eat it with. So this is our okra soup. I hope you guys can see it clearly. So this is how it looks like. Can you see it? So this is our okra soup. You guys should try it and let me know how it goes. Please press the like button, subscribe, and share my video. All right, thank you guys. See you next time. God bless you.